Hi, it's Rich. Welcome to Rich's Slot Car Room. Welcome to Tyco Tuesday. Yeah. White boots, so you know it's from 73. The Mercedes C-111 MK2. It's a little dirty. We'll clean her up. We'll get her over here and we'll put her on the dyno and we'll see how she runs. That is not supposed to be loose, contrary to some people's beliefs. Now let's throw the bad boy on the dyno and see how she runs. There we go. A little pressure on my finger. I might be able to get it to 2.0. There we go. Alright, we got 2.0 of it. Okay, I'm going to fix this chassis off screen. I need to I'll show you here. Put a screwdriver right on there and smack it with a hammer. Yes. So I'll put you on pause and take care of it. Alright, I got her. Let's put a little oil on it and we'll wet it too? Oh yeah. Alright. I need to take that off and clean it. I'm going to look this bad boy up in the book for you and we'll get that out of the way. We'll see. There she is right here. Somewhere in this page here. Okay, there's the black hood. There's the black hood, number 27. That is what we have. Yes, it is. And Mercedes C-111 MK2 from 1973, Tyco Pro 8811C. Availability is a 3. Orange black hood. Orange clear or tinted window comes on the other one. The other one does not get white boots. This one here does. 73 only. I'm going to take this off and clean the body. That is a well-tuned Tyco Pro right there. And she's done. Oh yeah, it runs real nice. Not too bad from 1973. We'll take her over to the track and take her for a test drive. Well, not quite sure what happened right there. Okay, now I know. It's going rather fast and popping off. Oh yeah, it'll run real good. Have to be careful to come off. Yeah, we already established the fact that these white boots aren't tall enough. So yeah, they're not tall enough. So it's going to spin out some places. Runs real nice though. It's pretty quick. One of those black silicones will get better traction. Yeah, it doesn't like the 3-inch turns. It's not the only one I don't like them. Yeah, it runs real nice. There you have it, folks. Mercedes C-111 MK2. Mercedes. Well, there you have it, folks. Yes, sirree. Pretty sure it's called a C-111. And, yeah. MK2 is what it is. An MK2. Yeah, 27 is it's a Mercedes C11 MK2. Why it's called a C111 and an MK2, I have no clue. C111, I'm not sure what that stands for. Or the MK2. Mercedes C111 MK2. Whatever that stands for. Yeah. Thanks for checking out the video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It don't hurt. It's free. Don't cost you nothing. Hit the bell, get notified. Let you know when I put my videos out. Usually Tuesday and Friday, but sometimes it's not. Let you know if I go live on Friday night, which I usually do. And it's rated R. I build a pit kit on Friday nights and BS with the fellas and ladies and gals and guys and have a good time. And we tell dirty jokes, dirty nasty jokes, and yeah. If you're not into that, then you probably won't be into it. Slot cars and cold snacks. Today is Tuesday, and we do that on Friday. Pretty cool car. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you enjoyed the show. And I'll be back Friday with another edition of Rich's Slot Car Room. Tyco Friday. TGITF. Thank God it's Tyco Friday. Until then, you guys have a good one, and I will catch you Friday. Goodbye.